application is the word we use to mean the cooking stand. Okay, we call it eku. Eku is anything that you use to cook. Like what you can see, the Hebrew woman is bent over the eku there. Whether it's in this form, we have this form also that is in the ground. Usually in the more modern times, our eku, like your electric cooker or your gas cooker and all that, things are eku. Now there's a name that comes out from this word eku, which we call uso eku. Uso eku is actually the corner for the cooking stand. Also actually means corner, okay? The corner for the cooking stand, or the cooking stand corner, which is also known as kitchen. Another prominent meaning of the word kwum or kum in the Hebrew language is establish or set up or put up. Now let's take this speech that the character has actually presented on the screen. Now he says, Ahamu bu Ifani. Ahamu bu Ifani. That actually means my name is Ifani. Now, what you must know is this. In the Igbo language, we will say, Iho kurubu na aha ya bu Ifani. But at the root, what that actually means from Hebrew is, what he established in his speech is that his name is Ifani. Now, going further, the ku also means to establish. That is to say, to actually establish something in the physical, like to raise it up, okay? So, yeah, an Igbo person might say, it will actually mean on the surface, he built a hospital in his hometown, but deeper, is actually he established or set up a hospital in his hometown, okay? Another verb application of this word ku, to establish, is actually to pay. We will usually say kwuo. When you say ga kwuo in Igbo, it actually means go and make the payment. But actually at the deeper level, it means go and establish the payment or go and set up the payment. Okay. So on the surface, it is now used to mean pay or settle. Another verb application of this word ku within the Igbo language is kwe. That is to agree. Kwe. It is actually meaning at a deeper level to establish a common ground. So if I ask you, Ikwerego, have you agreed? What I'm actually asking you at a deeper level is, have we both established a common ground? So these are verb applications. We can then go into the noun applications of some of these words. Okay. Now from the first one, Okuru, he said, or rather he established. That is where we brought out the noun oku. Now oku in the Igbo language means your speech, a word, etc., etc. So another noun there is actually ekuleku for a talkative, one who establishes a lot of things with their mouth. Now another noun that came out from this particular verb to establish